In this video, we will have a closer look on how to create product models from device database. Let's go to Project, Product Models and press New. Then we go to Product Information Selection. Here we have our default product databases. If you wish to add more databases, there is a good video to show you how to import directly from Excel to CADs. Check it out on our YouTube channel. When you find the product you're interested in, double-click it. You can also add several products to a product model. In this case, we have the 2D and 3D symbols already defined in the product database. Now we give our product a position number. 1 to 4 wasn't available, so let's just use 5. We put in our default elevation to 2500 and we select the correct system. Now we can see that the technical information of selected product is here, and the data is available. So let's create another one. Once more, we go to the product information selection. Go to the database we're interested in. Add it. Now we can see that the product has only information defined, no symbols or anything else, so we have to make sure that this is done. The size information is there for 3D space reservation models. So now let's add the symbol for the product model. Now use the project tree to insert product-specific product models, and now we can do this insertion. We borrow the elevation from the selected elements. And then we can go ahead and place our product models into the drawing. As we can see, we have a real-time sum list of devices. Now let's use our other product model and insert it to the drawing. And now we have 4 pieces, and as we can see, the project tree updates to 4 pieces directly. Let us export our project to an IFC file so we can check it out as a BIM model. Now let's open the file in Tekla BIM site, and if we select our products, we can see that all models have the product information that is defined in CADs. So the IP class, the size information, everything is there. If you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to contact us.